Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. Today in this lecture, we are going to study what is arithmetic mean and how to calculate arithmetic mean. So let's start. So this is the definition of arithmetic mean. AM means A stands for arithmetic and M stands for mean. Or mean is a sum of observation divided by number of observation. Okay, so mean is a sum of observation which is divided by number of observation. Sum means the total of observation and divided by number of observation. If we put this definition into formula, so the formula to calculate arithmetic mean, AM is equals to sum of the observation divided by number of observation. Okay, if we put this sum of observation divided by number of observation in symbols, so x bar, okay, x bar means arithmetic mean. AM is denoted by x bar. Okay, x bar means arithmetic mean is equals to sigma. This sign is sigma. This sign is sigma x, okay, divided by n. N is number of observation. So x bar means arithmetic mean. Sigma, the symbol sigma, okay, represents the sum. Sigma, this sign represents the sum. Sum means the total or summation of the observation. Small n means the number of observation and x is what? Observation, means sum of observation. Summation of x divided by number of observation. So we are going to use this formula to calculate arithmetic mean for individual observation or ungrouped data. Now, to calculate arithmetic mean, we require data. Data means the observation, and there are two types of data. We require data to calculate arithmetic mean. So, there are two types of data. First is ungrouped data and second is group data. Okay. So we require data to calculate arithmetic mean, and there are two types of data, group data, ungrouped data and group data. So now we'll see what is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is also called as individual observation. Okay, first we'll see ungrouped data and second we'll see group data. So individual observation or ungrouped data. Individual observation, you can see in this example, this is individual observation. 61, 68, 69, 63, 70, 60, 78. These are individual observation. Single numbers or single observation or ungroup. Ungroup means the data is not in a group. Okay, for example, if I say 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and if it is in a table form, then I can call this type of data as group data. But this data is ungrouped because it is not in a group ways. It is individual observation. Okay. So individual observation or ungrouped data. Now there is the example of individual observation or ungrouped data. So calculate arithmetic mean. What we have to calculate? Calculate arithmetic mean of marks, okay, of marks scored by a student, in 7 subjects. So there are 7 subjects and 7 subject marks are there, and those marks are scored by a student. Okay, so the marks of 7 subjects are this: 61, 68, 69, 63, 70, 60, 78. Okay, and now this is individual observation. the marks are not in a group format. That's why we are calling this data as ungrouped data or individual observation. Okay, now to calculate arithmetic mean for individual observation, if in exam also, if the numbers are given in individual format or in ungrouped data, we are going to calculate arithmetic mean by using this formula. By using this formula. By using this formula, we are going to find arithmetic mean for individual observation. Okay, so first thing, what we have to find solution for this, to find is arithmetic mean. Okay, now what is the formula of arithmetic mean? Formula is x bar is equals to sigma, means summation of x divided by n. Either you write this formula or this formula, the formula is same. Only thing, up formula, sum of observation and number of divided by number of observation is in word, and this formula is in symbols. X bar is equals to sigma x divided by n. So formula x bar means arithmetic mean is equals to sum of x divided by n. This sign is called as sigma, and sigma means the sum, the total of x divided by n. X is what? This observations. Okay, x is this numbers or this observation. So x bar is equals to sum of x means what you have to do, 61, add these numbers. Okay, 61 plus 68 plus 69 plus 63 plus 70 plus 60 plus 78 divided by n stands for what? Number of observation. Now how many observations are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observation. Okay, so we are finding the average. So add this 61 plus 68 plus 69 plus 63 plus 70 plus 60 plus 78. The total you get, x bar is equals to 469. Okay, so 469 is what? Sum of x. Okay, total of this individual observation divided by number of observation. So if we divide 469 by 7, we get answer x bar is equals to 67. So this is arithmetic mean for ungrouped data or individual observation. Okay, so x bar is equals to 67. In this way you have to calculate arithmetic mean for individual observation. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to calculate arithmetic mean for individual observation.